The overall goal of this combustion characterization experiment is to develop a model combustion exhaust by mixing the exhaust species of interest in order to test a solid oxide fuel cell in the mixture.
This method can help answer key questions in solid oxide fuel cell field, such as whether fuel-rich combustion reforming can be used instead of an endothermic fuel reformer.
The main advantage of this technique is that we can develop a model combustion exhaust for fuel cell testing without actually developing an entire burner and fuel cell prototype.
Visual demonstration of this method is critical, as the experimental setup, procedure, safety precautions, and troubleshooting can be difficult to understand by reading a manuscript alone.
Construct the characterization apparatus using a prepared combustion chamber at a bench with sources of air and the methane fuel. Select the mass flow controllers based on previously determined flow rates. For this experiment, use a 40 liter per minute controller for methane. Use a 200 liter per minute controller for air. Next, get copper tubing and connect it to the outlet of the methane source. From there, connect the tubing to the fuel mass flow controller. Similarly, connect the air mass flow controller to its source. For safety, add a one-way valve after the methane flow controller. Orient the valve to only allow flow away from the controller and connect it to the controller output. Next, use copper tubing to merge the flows from the air and the fuel flow controllers. Have the flows from the controllers enter a T-connector. As added safety measures, place a flame arrestor and another one-way valve after the T-connector.